Hi, I'm Keith, a technician at USACLEAN, and this is a Noble's SS5 walk-behind battery-operated scrubber. In this video series, we're going to go through and show you common issues that you may run into with your machine. Today we're going to replace the squeegee blades on your SS5 squeegee assembly. So, start with your front squeegee blade. Place it back in the squeegee assembly the same way you took it out. Now what you need to remember here is your squeegee assembly, the center black piece has notches that line up with the holes in your squeegee assembly. Quick trick is to go ahead and line the notches up on one side first. Press down and tighten the outer star knob. That ensures that one side of the squeegee blade is not going to move on you. Then you can go ahead and do the same thing with the other side. Press down and tighten the opposite star knob. Okay, next step is the rear squeegee blade. Some people can start in the center and go out. I start on one end and work my way back to the opposite end. Now the same principle applies when doing the rear squeegee blade as the front. The blade has holes in it that line up with the notches on your squeegee assembly. Just make sure the holes line up evenly. Now on the rear squeegee blade, there are 3 different knobs that are longer than the rest of them. Next step, you add your squeegee strap, placing it one side in at a time. And pulling the latch shut. Now you make sure that your larger notches are matching up with the notches in the rear squeegee strap. And then all you do is attach your squeegee assembly back to the machine and tighten down your star knobs. And you're done. We hope you enjoyed this video. Now feel free to leave us a comment below or visit us on our website at USACLEAN.com, where you can purchase parts and equipment online. If you'd like us to do any other videos on any type of floor cleaning equipment, feel free to let us know. From all of us here at USACLEAN, thanks for watching.